looking for some superfoods that will prevent seasonal allergies, boost your health, improve your immunity, prevent diabetes, heart problems, and serious issues like cancer, then stay tuned till the end of this video. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Gupta. I am a senior Ayurvedic consultant at IFA Ayurveda. In today's video, we will learn what are the benefits of superfoods. And also, I will tell you about some Ayurvedic superfoods that are excellent to maintain health and overall well-being. So, let's get started. Superfood is a buzzword in the nutrition field today. Superfoods are basically nutrient powerhouses that are low in calories but are high in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Now I will tell you why you should have superfoods. Superfoods are rich in quercetin and vitamin C. So they prevent recurrent cough and cold. They also help to maintain your immune system. Therefore, they can prevent allergies as they mainly occur due to hypersensitive reaction of the defense mechanism. Superfoods are rich in antioxidants and therefore they can avoid free radical damage which can lead to cancer. So they prevent cancer. They also prevent accumulation of toxins in the body. They regulate metabolism and also reduces inflammation in the body. They are high in fiber, therefore they can prevent obesity, diabetes and can also prevent digestive issues. Now Ayurveda, which is the ancient system of healing, lays a huge importance on diet and lifestyle. One of the primary goals of Ayurveda is to make healthy healthier. While Ayurveda doesn't use the term superfood as it is popular today, many principles of Ayurveda align with the concept of superfoods. Therefore, by using superfoods and herbs which are recommended in Ayurveda, you can support your overall health in harmony with nature. Now I will tell you top 7 superfoods which are economical and healthy. Number 1 is millets. Now these millets are full of tannins and phthalates. Therefore, they can prevent cell damage and prevent potential diseases like heart problems and high blood pressure. They are a rich source of B vitamins. Therefore, they play a huge role in keeping your brain healthy and also improves your overall health. Ghee is a staple food when it comes to Ayurveda cooking. It is considered as one of the healthiest fat as it contains some essential fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K and butyric acid. Therefore, taking ghee in moderation can nourish your body, support your digestive system and promote healthy aging. Next one is Amla or Indian gooseberry, which is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It is well known for its rejuvenating properties and is therefore considered as a rasayan in Ayurveda. It supports healthy digestion, enhance health, boost immunity and promote healthy skin and hair. Now figs. Potassium in figs contribute to heart health as it regulates the blood pressure levels. It is a very good source of bone-friendly minerals like calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. Figs contain pectin which can soak cholesterol. This dry fruit is high in fiber and therefore it can keep you fuller for longer. Next one is turmeric. This one is well celebrated in Ayurveda due to its excellent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are due to a compound called curcumin. It supports digestive health and is also helpful in managing conditions like arthritis and Alzheimer's. Next one is dates. Dates are considered as superfood as it contains many beneficial compounds like polyphenols. It prevents free radical damage, repair your DNA and also prevents cellular damage. Now ashwagandha. Ashwagandha or Indian ginseng is an adaptogenic herb which prevents stress. It can also reduce cortisol levels, support immune function, improve stamina, and enhance overall well being. Include these food items to your diet to remain healthy. If you found this video to be informative, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe. You can also share your experiences of using Ayurvedic superfoods with us in the comments below. If you or your loved one is suffering from any health issue, including allergies, then feel free to contact us. At IFA Ayurveda, under the guidance of Dr. Sahil Gupta, we have prepared some very effective Ayurvedic herbal formulations. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay allergy free. Thank you.